Time to make smash burgers at Degray Lake State Park. We've got the beef. We've got homemade hamburger buns that Susan made. We've got some cheese left over from having a few guests out last night, so we're going to use that. We're going to be seasoning with pub burger and some onion powder because we didn't have fresh onions with us. But hey, we're at the campsite. Ralph Man's Adventures. Be sure and give us a thumbs up and a like. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to do a quick cook, as I said. We're on the Blackstone doing smash burgers. This is actually for lunch, but we're making some leftovers. Tomorrow is a travel day in the camper, and so we want to have some lunch tomorrow as well. We've got the Blackstone heating up really good, and we'll go down with the burgers. The Blackstone is smoking hot. You can hear that sizzle. Like I got more burger space than, or more burger balls than I've got space. Ooh. Let's go ahead and smash these. Let's see if we can get these smashed down. Oh, that one fell apart. Now we're going to hit it with some pub burger. This is Blackstone's pub burger. And then we're going to hit it with, and you can see that that's already cooking up quick. Then we're going to hit it with some onion powder because I didn't think we had fresh onions, but after I got going, the wife said we did. But here's some onion powder. And got to be moving quick because these are almost done. A little more pub burger. And then we got to get some cheese on it. Burgers are off. Time to heat up the buns and we'll be ready to eat. Buns are down, added a little mayo to them, and we'll get those toasted up. Homemade. We still had 2 burger balls left, so I'm going to get those cooked up. We'll get those off as well. Buns are starting to look pretty good. Getting a little toasty. That's a good looking burger. That's got Colby, Jack, and Susan's got hers fixed up with some Swiss and pickles and lettuce. So let's give it a try. Coming to you, as I said, from Degray Lake State Park, Bismark, Arkansas. We're going to give that a try. Buns crispy. Burgers hot. Melted cheese. You can't go wrong with that at the campsite. Give us a thumbs up. Tell us what you think. Hit the subscribe button. If you do something different, let me know that as well. Until next time, God bless.